Today I'm making pumpkin poke cake. I used a sifter this time, which I usually don't do, and then I whisk it, which I probably didn't have to do. Dump all my wet ingredients in their bowl, whisk them together. Pour in those original dry ingredients, get it all mixed up. Once that's all incorporated, pour it in a 9x13 pan, pop it in the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Once that cools just enough, poke some holes in it. I use the back of a spoon, then I poured Smucker's caramel all in there. Right here, I'm making the frosting for it, which ended up being a lot of frosting, which was kind of cool because it was real thick on the top of that caramel. I got that all covered. Then I sprinkled with chopped pecans. Y'all, this dessert was so good. It was infused with caramel and it was delicious. You can find the recipe in the description. Try it out, let me know how it goes, and follow me for more fun recipes.